Hey guys, what's up? My name is Jordan. Welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well today. The holiday season is upon us. I don't know. I'm excited. I feel like we need to do a little eye tutorial, a little cut crease action, some holiday vibes. I'm just gonna do the eye on camera and then I'll probably hop off camera to do the rest of my face just cause I don't wanna make this too long. With that being said, let's just get right into it. I'm gonna start with prepping the eyes. I already have my skin prep, so like I'm all moist and whatever. But for my eye prep, I'm just gonna do concealer. This is a little bit light for me, but that's all right. I'll like even it out after. I want like a nice blank canvas, so a lighter color is the vibe. Of course, you could just use some primer in your eyes. Like I said, I want like a nice blank canvas, and I don't have well, that's a lie. I was gonna say I don't have a primer I love right now, but I don't know. Sometimes I just prefer to use concealer. When I say sometimes, it's like always, because I do kind of have like veiny eyelids. All right, so that's that. Usually I do my face first, but I'm gonna be doing kind of like darker colors today, so I'm gonna stick to the eyes first. What I'm gonna use is this Morphe palette today. Do you like my little labels on it? This is the Artistry palette, 35M Bouse Mood. And this is what she looks like. I just taped the like names of the colors up here. I'm feeling like this like plum, these sparkles. I'm also gonna use this Huda Beauty Lilac, Pastels Lilac palette. And that's what she looks like. Like these sparkles are just the absolute vibe right now. So yeah, I'm gonna get started with the eyes. I'm gonna take this fluffy brush and I'm gonna go into this really cute lilac. And I'm gonna start towards the outer corner and I'm gonna follow my crease. I'm definitely gonna darken this up later, but this is just gonna help me with blending. So I'm actually gonna do one eye on camera. I think that's what I'm gonna do because you're gonna be here all day if I do both. So I'm gonna pull this out just a bit because I always do. Just to give myself a little lifted moment. And you see I went like 1/3 of the way in kind of on my eye, right into the crease. So the next color I'm gonna take on this pointed fluffy brush is this cute little plummy moment here. You don't have to have the perfect brush. You can make it work. Trust, you can make it work. I'm gonna kind of, you see how this is a bit pointed? I'm gonna kind of start like where my pupil is when I'm looking straight. I'm gonna start dabbing that and I'm pulling it up like as a slant. Oh, I saw another color I would have liked more. Okay, wait, I'm gonna mix these two colors. So I'm gonna mix this one, and that will be cute. And I'm gonna follow my crease. I'm definitely gonna darken this up later, but this is just gonna help me with blending. I just love the way like purples do look good, but like pinks also, or like anything with a red undertone really looks super good on green eyes. Okay, so I have that kind of in a diagonal here. Following the lower lash line, I'm kind of just pulling that up very gently with the point to start to blend. So this doesn't need to be perfect right now. I am gonna start to bring that into the crease. And I'm gonna bring that all the way down to like the inner corner of my eye here, but definitely not past it. Okay, I'm gonna take a smaller blending brush and just kind of get in here, make sure that all these edges are nice and smooth. I didn't put any new product on this. I probably will in a second, but for now, just trying to get those two colors seamless. You guys, I wish I had like parties to go to. I feel like I never have anything to do around the holidays. I also don't live in a city right now, which is tragic, but yeah, and when I say tragic, I mean boring. So I'm just gonna switch between those three brushes, right? So that first fluffy brush that I use for the lighter transition shade, smaller blending brush, and the black pointed blending brush that I was using. It really just is a matter of bouncing back and forth between brushes to get that seamless blend. All right, so I'm gonna take those two purples on this smaller dense brush and just get the like right on the crease because I want to deepen this up so that that cut crease is a bit more dramatic. And I'm just following the crease here. You know, I never ever do one eye and then move on to the next, so I really hope this comes out even. So I'm done with my purple, and since this is a bit of a darker shade, I'm just gonna take a little bit of micellar water on a Q-tip. And if you put too much water that it's like dripping or saturated, like soaked, just go on the back of your hand and kind of roll it like this because you just need it dampened. I'm just gonna clean up my lid below the crease. So next up, I'm gonna put a bit of concealer on the back of my hand. Take a flat, dense brush, and then I'm gonna start to lightly dab, go all the way out to where we finished cleaning that up. So I'm just gonna fix up this outer corner here. I'm gonna take another flat, dense brush, and I'm gonna take this color. You guys, I really hope this comes out the way I think it will. Making sure I don't have any creases here. I'm gonna apply by tapping. So I'm just kind of dabbing that. I want to darken up the outer corner, so I'm going to take just a black eyeshadow. I bring in my eyeshadow or my eyeliner halfway. I think I never do a full eye eyeliner because I like a lifted look and this helps me to shape my eyes how I want. Okay, I'm wiping off the excess that was on that on a towel right in front of me. I really don't want this to be an intense eyeliner look. I really just want to darken up the waterline. This is giving Barney. It's not giving exactly what my original plan was, but that's fine. We're gonna trust the process. Okay, so now I'm gonna take one of these. I can't decide which one I want. I'm just trying to go for like a little chrome effect. And since this is like a green, you know, like a purple green chrome kind of vibe, I'm gonna dip into, I think this one is gonna be the one. These look actually a lot different on than they do in the pan. I just swatched them all on my finger, but I can't remember which one I liked most. I'm gonna mix the two. I'm gonna mix these two. And I'm gonna do the same thing, just dab. Okay. Oh yeah, that's cute. Oh, I feel like it's not coming up in the camera the way it is on my eye, but it's cute. Okay, I'm gonna go do my bottom lash line now. I'm gonna take those purples and just go under here. I'm doing this very, very gently. Yes. Yeah. I'm gonna take this black again, just to kind of blend that there. And I'm gonna take more black on that and just get right in the waterline. Okay, I'm gonna use this black eyeshadow to kind of like tight line under here. Oh, this part gives such heebie-jeebies. Doing this on clients is actually the most difficult thing, but it makes such a difference. It just makes everything look so snatched. I actually prefer to use eyeshadow as eyeliner because stick eyeshadow, whoo, she's a B word to get off. And I'm gonna just get the inner corner here. Let's give a little catty moment. I think that's good. I'm trying to decide now if I want to bring, I think I do want to bring that purple all the way in. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Good job. Look at all this black. Okay, this is why. That's why you do our dark eyes and then do your face so you can get all that off. Okay, so I think this is how I want it. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna clean up the rest of my face. And then when I come back, we will do mascara. Well, I'll have both eyes done. And then we'll do mascara and lashes and it'll all be put together. Okay, so I'm nice and cleaned up. My skin doesn't have black shadow everywhere. My hands probably do though. I took some toner on a cotton pad. Let me actually just show you how I did it. Flipped it in half and then just went under and like swiped up the eye to make it nice and clean. If you have already done your base makeup, that's fine. You can take some concealer on a pointed brush and then you can just kind of like clean up under there, or you can take a Q-tip and then just touch up your base makeup again. I want the mascara to be nice and dry before I put my false lashes on, so I'm just gonna pop some of this on and then I'm gonna hop off camera, do my base makeup, and then yeah, we'll put on the lashes and that'll be it, girlies. Okay, you guys, what do you think? Cute, I know. Next up, we're gonna do our lashes. You guys, I wish I could tell you what lashes these are, but you could put a gun to my head. I still would not be able to tell you. I have just like lashes laying around everywhere. That sounds gross. They're like in little like packs, but not their homes. Okay, but this is what we're going for. Cute little like fluffy. I like lashes that kind of like get longer on the outer corner. I want to put a little bit of mascara on these bottom lashes. I'll just do it on the outer corner though. I do want to clean up this like tear duct area because that shadow is not giving. I'm gonna put a little bit of black eyeliner just right here. All right, so I'm gonna pop on these lashes. Holding my breath, obviously, because that's the only way to safely put on lashes. You see what that just did, guys? Do you see the drama that was just brought to this? Like, all right. Would you take me to a party? I would take me to a party. Oh my God. I feel like I need maybe a little highlighter on my cheek. I'm gonna use this little Natasha Denona. There we go. Now we're holiday girlies. All right, you guys, that's it. I love this. I think it looks so cute. Those lashes definitely tied it all together like we knew she would. Also this green with my shirt in the purple. If you have green eyes, you have got to try this. Blue eyes too would look gorgeous. Hazel eyes, brown eyes, black eyes, gray eyes, whatever eyes you have, this is gonna look good on you. This video helped you if you were trying to do a cut crease or you're looking for some holiday eye inspo. Make sure if you like the video, you like it on here. Like press the like button. Follow me on Instagram so you can see more content because that's really where I'm more active. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this becomes a more frequent thing. Happy holidays. Birthday. Curl moment. It is a cut crease. I'm gonna take. See how I kind of did. Oh, Jesus. Really?